It comes as a welcome change from the ubiquitous Eibars of the time and is unusual in many respects. The slide is open-topped in front of the breech face, exposing the upper surface of the barrel. Two lugs lie beneath the barrel, one at the muzzle, which is pinned to the front of the frame, and one below the chamber which engages a cutout on the safety catch shaft. A small coil spring lies under the front lug. When the safety catch is rotated back past the safe position, the rear lug is freed and the barrel tips about the front pivot. The breech rises, allowing the barrel to be examined, cleaned, or loaded with a single cartridge. It can then be closed and locked by rotating the safety catch. Thumb-cocking the hammer and pressing the trigger fires one shot. Spent cases were ejected by residual chamber pressure, a system which is incapable of expelling an unfired cartridge in the absence of an extractor. By 1919, however, the sharpshooter had gained an extractor and it had been named Jo-Lo-AR for José López Arnaiz, patentee of the extractor. The Jo-Lo-AR is also notable for the absence of a trigger guard, the trigger being partly sheathed in an extension of the frame. Most guns are fitted with a peculiar hand-cocking lever attached by screw to the right side of the frame, patented by Arnaiz in 1923. The sharpshooter was made in 25 auto, 32 auto, and 380 auto, its slide being marked sharpshooter patent number 68027. The Jo-Lo-AR was made in the same chamberings, plus 9mm Bergmann-Bayard, for Peru, and even 45 ACP, though these must have approached the safety margin for blowbacks. Slides displayed PISTOLA JO-LO-AR EIBAR, ESPANA, patent numbers 68027, 70235. Both pistols were sold by Arrizabalaga and also by Ojanguren e Vidosa of Eibar. Those sold by the latter bear a small white metal medallion in the grips with an OV monogram. Manufacture of the Jo-Lo-AR apparently ceased about 1930. The error, sharpshooter, was corrected to sharpshooter during 1923. Designed by Toribio Arrizabalaga Eibars.